Do you have a favorite photo? In this video, I am going to teach you how to make your own candle just like this. So find your favorite photo and let's get started. For this project, you will need a diode laser with at least 10 watts, a rotary for your laser, a black matte candle vessel, and your favorite photo. I will be loading my settings into my Laserpecker 5 software, so just use your own software if you have a different laser. When you engrave on a black vessel, inverting it can give you a better result. For this Chicago candle, we are going to invert it. Our settings in the bottom right-hand corner are 2K resolution, 450 diode laser, 100 power, and 8 depth. We are engraving on our rotary roller, so we will change our settings to reflect the rotary. We will also select our size of 90 height, as this fits our 14-ounce candle vessel perfectly. It is important after we choose rotary to center our photo. Final note, we have chosen 3 passes, which will engrave this image 3 times around the vessel. This will space it equal distant, so our client will have a glow-through effect in the round. Questions? Post them in comments, and I will get back to you. Now let's watch the magic happen. Now it's time to wick it and fill it with wax. I never get tired of watching a candle cure in time-lapse. Wait, we need to engrave our lid. Engrave all the label information on your candle lid for a lasting keepsake. This also makes the candle and your brand unforgettable. Our laser setting for a maple wood lid are 2K resolution, 30 power, and 30 depth. Height is 80. My upcoming book shows every step of engraving and sublimation, so you can design and make candle art with confidence. Join the list to be notified of the release and lock in the at-cost price before November 5th, 2025. Hi, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain candle vessels into works of art using sublimation and engraving. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.